Have you ever found yourself in a confrontation where someone is in your face talking trash and trying to intimidate you? Most people react by getting angry and yelling back, or by looking away in fear. Both of these reactions show that the other person is controlling you. Welcome to the dark psychology of unshakable dominance. Today you are going to learn a technique that does not require you to say a single word. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use your eyes to destroy someone's aggressive energy and make them fall silent. You are going to master the dead stare. A high-value man knows that words can be forgotten, but an aura of absolute power can never be ignored. To defeat aggression, you must become the void. You must become the thing that absorbs their energy without reacting to it. The dead stare, also known as the predator gaze, is the ultimate tool for this. It is not about making a mean face. It is not about squinting. It is about the complete absence of emotion. Here is exactly how you execute it. When someone is being aggressive towards you, stand completely still. Your face must become like stone. Remove all anger, all irritation, and all confusion. You are becoming a statue. Lock your eyes directly onto theirs. Do not blink often. Your gaze must be heavy, cold, and unwavering. You are not looking at them. You are looking through them. The critical part of this technique is the silence. While they are yelling, you are completely quiet. Let their loud voice and aggressive words bounce off your silence. They are desperate for you to react. They want you to validate their power. By giving them nothing but a cold, empty stare, you force them to sit in the intense discomfort of their own actions. It terrifies the subconscious mind to not receive a reaction. They will start to wonder why you are not scared or angry. They will begin to feel an immense wave of psychological pressure and anxiety. You will notice them starting to shift their feet, stammer, or nervously look away. When you refuse to match their chaotic energy, you prove that you are the dominant one in the room. You do not need to fight for status. You command it. Master your mind, master your reality. Subscribe to level up your psychology.